butterboard ribeyes. Come on, people, let's get involved. Oh my God. Woo! Yeah. Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Wil Blumberg, and tonight, guys, we're gonna be hooking up a butterboard ribeye. It's going to be incredible. I'll show you guys how to make that here in just a minute. So who do we have coming over tonight? Guys, we have Adkinson on keys. We also have Cobb on bass, Kevin Sklar on guitar, and we also have another guitar player tonight. We also have Zach Messick, myself, Wil Blumberg on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved. Boom! All right, so for our butterboard ribeyes, we're gonna be using some of these beautiful ribeyes, and we're gonna be using some Hardcore Carnivore tonight for our seasoning. So absolutely perfect. We got the grill set to about 500 degrees over a bed of charcoal. You're gonna be cooking them probably about 125, and then pulling them. Nice medium rare. And then we're gonna be making our butter for our butterboard. Thanks for liking and subscribing, by the way. All right, here we go. We're throwing ribeyes on. We're about 500, a little over 500 degrees. Let's get these puppies on. Let's give these a minute and a half, and then we're gonna turn. If you guys enjoy these jams, we'll be right back. All right, we're gonna turn. Okay, so butterboard, here we go. We're gonna do 2 sticks of butter, unsalted. We're gonna be using this Kinder's Cowboy butter seasoning. Mixing it up in a bowl. We're gonna spread it out here on the butcher block, and then we're gonna cut up this steak, pop it on top, and we're gonna enjoy. So you guys, here we go. All right, we're gonna actually go in for 2 different butters tonight. We're gonna be doing the Kinder's, and we're also gonna be doing one with garlic, parsley, and also some lemon. So let's chop it up. Sweet, butterboard's looking great. All right, I'm gonna throw some of these juices on here before they roll off, because why not? Okay guys, it's time to eat. I'm bringing the guys on. We've got Kevin Sklar over here. We also have Cobb. Come on in, guys. And we have Adkinson. Come on down. You guys ready to get involved with this butterboard? Oh my God, guys, just go for it. I mean, come on. I'm just gonna go for this guy and get it all buttery. Woo! Oh, baby. Oh, that's ridiculous. I want to do a double dip, but I don't want to do a double dip because I don't want to mess you guys up. But my God, butterly delicious, right? Isn't that how it goes? That's it. Well, that's good. I'm gonna pour another one. Oh boy. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you guys give this rating? 10. Did you say 10? 10. Right off the bat? Yeah. Well, he's a red meat guy, so.
He said, let me try the other side first. Feel better on this side is the way to go for sure.
So you like the herby side. Mm-hmm. So this was the herb side butter. This was that Kinder's Cowboy butter seasoning side.
It's probably the herb.
You know, I gotta do that too. I gotta go in with you.
Right.
Oh man,
Just kind of investigate this.
Yeah, you gotta dunk that thing. Just don't be shy. Oh my God.
Fine. My goodness. Good.
Ooh.
On to something over there.
Whoa. You know what? You're absolutely right.
It's the garlic.
Whoa.
Yeah, the garlic really came to play.
Whoa. All right, real score.
Give this like an 8.5 on the left, probably an 8.
Okay.
Well, no, we're being realistic now.
Oh, we're being realistic. Okay.
6, 7.
Oh my God! You had to go. I like that. That was pretty good.
Cut that from the video. Cut that part out.
Not 10. 10's across the board.
Seriously.
I will say this is more like an 11 though. This is more like
9.
11.
That one's 11. Whoa. Hey, I like his judging because I do the same thing. I go past 10 sometimes. I'm just that guy.
BMFS.
Wow. Hey, nice. Looking good. And what was your score?
I said 9 on this side. Probably like a 7 or 8 on this side.
9 and 7 or 8. Okay, that all sounds great because they're both really delicious. But I am definitely in favor of the garlic or herb side for sure. Guys, let's make some 10s tonight on these jams, right?
Do it, man.
Thank you guys so much for getting involved, and I'm gonna bring some other people over here and try it out and see what happens. So, sweet. Thanks, guys. All right.
That was good.
You guys all want to come in?
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring the rest of the crew over here. We have Deanna over here. What's up? Hey, she's got a lot of great pointers for me while I was cooking. You might catch some of those clips in here. Are you excited? Are you ready?
Yes.
Which one are you going for? Hey, did you wash your hands before you got there?
I
I had to do it. Martine, come on in, man. Come on in. Chris, please come on in. Zach,
Ribeye.
Zach, come on in.
All right.
We have the herb side and we have the Kender side. Oh man, that is finger licking good. I'm sorry, it is.
Colonel's got nothing on that steak.
Curl is good. Yeah, I know. Oh wow. Isn't that awesome? Chris, come on in. Don't be shy. Water's fine. Butter's fine, I should say.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah. All right, so is that the garlic herb side?
Mm-hmm.
What's your score on that one?
Incredible.
Incredible. Is that a score?
Yeah,
Oh yeah. Hey, Mark, Zach's coming in behind you. Yeah, come on in.
No, you got it.
Mark's blocking you, man. He's like, come on, man.
Wow. Gonna have some more.
Wow.
Butter.
I got a wow on the score
Butter.
meter. Where's the wow on the score? I think that's like
I'm gonna give him a 12.
a 12. All right. Hey, I love a 12. 12s are good.
Compared to the other side, though.
Yes.
I will say that this is all the things that I have.
Oh no!
Barbecue
Don't
jam.
do it! Don't do it! No, go ahead.
Okay.
No, you do it. No, just let
I
the
will say
audience.
this is
really
an
good.
8.5.
8.5. All right, very good.
This
And
butter
that side
some
is-
garlic is delicious.
Butter, what is that?
That's the cowboy butter seasoning.
Cowboy
Both of them are really
Yeah.
good.
Pardon me?
Right.
Both of them are
Both
really good.
yeah, they both have a whole unique flavor to them. So
The left side is a little more smoky flavor. You get a little bit more.
okay, yeah,
I wanna try
The
that.
barbecue rub. What is it? The cowboy rub?
yeah, cowboy butter rub.
Cowboy rub.
Yeah, that's
Both.
from Kendrick.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Both.
I tend to favor the more herby, parsley, garlic.
Coffee,
I mean
lemon,
that is
garlic,
dynamite.
it's- oh.
Zach, what do you say?
Oh,
You do this professionally?
No, well, sort of, maybe. I don't know. Depends on who's asking.
The right side is definitely the better batch, but they're both really good, man.
All right,
I
cool.
did, like two different contexts.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I kind of figured.
Both are really
Amazing.
good.
What would you give score-wise on these?
The right side's like an 8.5, and the left's like a 7, 8.
Okay.
yeah, it's
Well,
not far from.
We're definitely getting like the 8.5, 9 over here on the herby side of the ribeye.
I'm
So.
rolling it. I'm rolling.
Oh yeah. You're rolling. Keep that butter rolling. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Did everybody score? Everybody good? Everybody get involved? I think we're looking good,
We're
guys.
getting involved.
Average it all out. Garlic herb side is the winner, it looks like, tonight. And I would say I would give that one a 9. I think that's a 9 and all day long. I think you will love that. So get involved with this side of the butter ribeye. We will catch you guys back here in a minute. Good job, guys. Nice. guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Oh my God, the butterboard ribeyes. What'd you guys think of that butterboard ribeye? Come on. Oh, so good, so good. So we have a newcomer here tonight. We've got Zach over here. Come on down, Zach. We gotta hook him up with some merch, of course.
Hell yeah.
Check it out, man. Looking good.
This is the best shirt ever, man.
Hey, look, it's official. You've been BBQ Jams.
I've been
Oh my God! He's been BBQ Jam. Guys, come on. This is so much fun. We're going to catch you guys next time. Like, subscribe. You know the drill. Peace. Woo! Thank you. Good night, folks. This was an excellent evening, and I thank you. Great episode.